Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Cameron Baucom with Charlotte Pipe and Foundry. I've been at Charlotte Pipe for about 6 years, and we are standing here in the 2024 ASPE Expo at Columbus, Ohio. So far from the event, I've been pretty impressed. Compared to 2022, I would say we have a larger crowd than we did 2 years ago, and it's been a very solid event so far. Behind me today, we have our Chem Drain acid waste material. This material is used for chemical or acid waste applications. It's a CPVC material, and this product itself has been around for Charlotte Pipe since 2005. This product is supposed to be used in any kind of laboratory applications, and it's very well known in the industry. CPVC is a good chemical waste material. One thing we'd like to focus on our display here is this jar trap at the very bottom of this sink here. What's unique about this jar trap is that a couple things actually. First thing, it replaces the P-trap in the application. So as the jar fills up with water, if you'll come down here for a second, as the jar fills up with water, it actually creates your trap seal. So it actually ends up creating a 1 quart water dilution to the system already for the chemical that's being dumped down the drain. And the other thing that's beneficial is, let's say you have a wedding ring, or let's say you break a glass beaker in the sink with a nurse mishandling something, or a hypodermic needle going down the sink drain. Instead of having to cut the P-trap out, you can simply unscrew this jar, dump the piece of glass, needle, or whatever else out, and then screw it back in, and you're back in business without having to cut or repair anything of that sort. So another benefit with using CPVC or Chem Drain which is our Charlotte Pipe product, is that it uses a one-step solvent welded application. So as you see here, no electrofusion joint or mechanical joint required to install this material. It is just a one-step solvent welded application up to 6 inch, which makes it very easy and friendly for installers, for contractors, or even a janitor at a high school or a K-12 facility. So if you're around booth 1127 here at the ASPE Expo, come by, check it out, and we appreciate your business.